Welcome to Glintree. What if the person on the other end, someone you trust, like your bank or advisor, isn't who they seem? Just last week, I got a call that sounded exactly like my bank manager. Their voice had that familiar rhythm I trusted, measured and steady, the kind of tone that makes you pause and listen carefully. They said there was unusual activity on my account, and I felt my stomach tighten as I struggled to figure out what to do. That sinking feeling, the one that makes your heart skip a beat, can happen to anyone when a call feels urgent and personal. Don't worry, there are simple steps to protect yourself, and that's exactly what we're going to cover today. 1. What are voice cloning financial scams? Voice cloning scams are becoming more common, especially targeting seniors. Scammers use AI technology to imitate the voices of trusted professionals, your bank staff, financial advisor, or accountant, and make the call feel urgent. Their goal is simple: trick you into sharing personal information, or even transferring money, before you realize it's a scam. I remember a call I got recently. The voice sounded so familiar that for a moment I almost believed it was really my advisor. It spoke with a careful familiarity, using phrases I recognized from previous conversations. They claimed there was unusual activity in my investment account and asked me to transfer funds immediately to a secure account. My heart started racing, and I felt that instant knot of panic. Then I remembered a tip I'd learned from a SeniorSafety webinar. Ask questions only your real advisor would know. I asked a question about a recent transaction we discussed. The voice hesitated and couldn't answer correctly. I immediately hung up and called my advisor using the official number listed on my statement or website. After reviewing my account with my advisor, I found everything was fine and the bank recorded the scam attempt. That brief pause likely saved me from a major loss. Scammers try to rush you, scare you, and take advantage of the trust you naturally have. With AI voice cloning, their calls can sound almost real, almost like someone you actually know. The best way to protect yourself is simple. Stay aware and always verify before you act. 2. Why seniors are targeted. Seniors are often targeted because scammers know many older adults trust authority figures and want to help our finances or family. Many seniors also feel a need to act quickly when they hear words like unusual activity, urgent, or secure your account. Here's Mrs. Thompson's case. She received a call from someone claiming to be her bank manager. The voice said there was a large withdrawal and asked her to confirm her Social Security number and account PIN. Mrs. Thompson felt panic rising, but she had a habit of keeping her financial records organized and checking phone numbers before acting. She paused, verified the call through her bank's official number, and avoided a potential loss of thousands of dollars. Scammers exploit habits, trust, and emotion. Training yourself to pause and verify is key. 3. Red flags to spot the scam. Here are the main warning signs of a voice cloning scam. 1. Urgency and pressure. The caller pushes you to act immediately. Legitimate banks rarely demand instant action without official documentation. 2. Unusual payment requests. They may ask for wire transfers, gift cards, or cryptocurrency. 3. Suspicious caller ID. Caller IDs can be faked. Don't rely solely on what appears on your phone screen. 4. Requests for sensitive information. Banks and advisors do not ask for full Social Security numbers, account PINs, or passwords over the phone. 5. Mismatch in information. The caller might reference your account incorrectly or use inconsistent details. 6. Requesting a one-time passcode. Never share this. Your bank or account holder will never call to ask for it. 7. Unexpected remote access requests. Banks or financial advisors will never ask you to install remote access software on your computer or phone to secure your account. If anyone requests this, it's a scam. Remember, banks never act this way. They will not pressure, rush, or access your devices. 4. Step-by-step protection plan. Here's a practical 3-step approach to protect yourself. Step 1. Verify the caller. Hang up immediately and call the official number on your bank card, statement, or official bank website. The official number is the one printed on your bank card or listed on the bank's official website. Never call back the number shown on the caller ID. Scammers can reconnect quickly and impersonate the bank again. Ask verification questions that only your real advisor would know. Step 2. Document suspicious activity. Note the date, time, and phone number, and keep a record of the conversation if legally allowed, or take screenshots. This helps your bank or authorities investigate and protects you if fraudulent activity occurs. Step 3. Report the attempt. Inform your bank or financial institution immediately. You can also report the call to the Federal Trade Commission at reportfraud.ftc.gov. And consider letting your local consumer protection agency know as well. Taking these actions keeps you in control and helps reduce the risk of financial loss. 5. Realistic scenarios and tips. Let's do a quick exercise. I'm going to describe 2 situations, and your task is to spot what's wrong in each one. Situation 1. Mr. Lee got a call from someone claiming to be from his insurance company. The voice said his coverage would be canceled unless he immediately provided payment. Mr. Lee didn't panic, asked for the policy number, and then verified the call using the company's official number. Situation 2. Mrs. Garcia received an email with a voicemail attachment. The voice sounded exactly like her financial advisor, warning her of fraudulent activity. She almost clicked the link, but double-checked the email sender first and then contacted her advisor. So, what do you think went wrong in each case? Pause the video for a moment and think about it. Here's the answer. Situation 1. The call was a classic immediate payment scam. Mr. Lee did the right thing by verifying the policy number and contacting the official line that pause saved him. Situation 2. The email with the voicemail was a phishing attempt. Clicking the link could have exposed her computer or personal data. By checking the sender and verifying with her advisor, she avoided the trap. Now, let's always keep these in mind. Never share personal info over unsolicited calls or emails. Enable 2-factor authentication on your accounts. Keep a trusted checklist of steps to verify callers. Talk to friends or family if you're unsure. 2 eyes and ears are better than 1. Remember, any call or email that urges you to act fast is a red flag. Verification is your best defense. AI technology is powerful, and scammers are clever, but so are you. Stay calm, watch for red flags, and follow simple verification steps to protect both your money and your peace of mind. I've also put together a free quick scam safety checklist designed specifically for seniors to keep important steps right at your fingertips. You'll find the link below to download it, and there's a full version available if you'd like a more detailed guide to protect yourself and your loved ones. Please hit like and subscribe to Glintree for more thoughtful, practical tips to support your mind, body, and everyday life. Glintree is here to guide you every step of the way. Your brain is on your side. Let's keep it sharp, healthy, and happy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.